Welcome back to Benefits Unlocked. Today's video is about sea moss. Sea moss, also called Irish moss, is a type of red algae that grows along the Atlantic coasts of North America, Europe, and the Caribbean. It's become increasingly popular as a superfood because it's packed with nutrients and offers a wide range of health benefits. Let's explore why sea moss is such a powerful addition to your health routine. First, sea moss is incredibly nutrient-rich. It contains 92 of the 102 essential minerals that the human body needs. These include iodine, which supports thyroid health, iron, which boosts energy and helps maintain healthy red blood cells, and magnesium, calcium, and zinc, which are vital for strong bones, immune support, and muscle function. Additionally, it contains potassium, which helps with brain health and emotional well-being. One of the most significant benefits of sea moss is its ability to support thyroid health. The thyroid gland plays a critical role in regulating metabolism, energy levels, and overall hormonal balance. Sea moss is a natural source of iodine, an essential mineral that the thyroid needs to produce hormones. If you struggle with fatigue, weight fluctuations, or mood swings, adding sea moss to your diet may help improve your thyroid function and overall well-being. Sea moss is also fantastic for boosting the immune system. It's packed with antioxidants, vitamins like vitamin C, and amino acids that strengthen your body's defense mechanisms. Additionally, sea moss has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which means it can help the body fight off infections and reduce inflammation. Another incredible benefit of sea moss is its positive impact on gut health. It has prebiotic properties, meaning it promotes the growth of healthy gut bacteria, which are essential for digestion and overall health. Sea moss contains a gel-like compound called carrageenan, which soothes the digestive tract. This can be particularly helpful for those dealing with issues like acid reflux, gastritis, or other digestive discomforts. If you're looking to improve your skin, sea moss is a game changer. It's rich in vitamins A, C, E, and K, as well as sulfur, which are all beneficial for skin health. Sea moss hydrates and soothes the skin, reduces redness and acne, and even promotes collagen production, helping your skin stay firm and youthful. Many people use sea moss both as a supplement and as a topical ingredient in skincare routines for its hydrating and anti-aging properties. For those trying to lose weight, sea moss can be a valuable tool. Its high fiber content helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing the urge to snack or overeat. Additionally, since sea moss supports thyroid function, it can help regulate your metabolism, which plays a key role in maintaining a healthy weight. Sea moss is also great for improving energy levels. One of the reasons for this is its high iron content. Iron is crucial for carrying oxygen throughout the body, and low iron levels can leave you feeling tired and sluggish. By boosting your iron intake with sea moss, you may notice an increase in energy and stamina, which is especially helpful for those who struggle with anemia or fatigue. If you have joint or muscle issues, sea moss might be able to help. It has anti-inflammatory properties and contains nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, which support joint health and reduce pain. Many athletes use sea moss for its ability to speed up muscle recovery after workouts and strengthen connective tissues. Sea moss is also beneficial for respiratory health. Its gel-like consistency can help clear mucus from the lungs and respiratory tract, making it an excellent natural remedy for colds, coughs, and even respiratory conditions like bronchitis. Many people turn to sea moss during the cold and flu season for its soothing and cleansing properties. In some cultures, sea moss is considered a natural fertility booster. This may be due to its high zinc content, which is essential for reproductive health. Zinc plays a role in hormone regulation and overall fertility for both men and women, making sea moss a great option for those looking to support their reproductive health naturally. Now you might be wondering how to incorporate sea moss into your diet. There are several easy ways to do it. One of the most popular methods is to make sea moss gel. To do this, you soak raw sea moss, blend it with water, and store it in the refrigerator. You can then add the gel to smoothies, teas, soups, or even baked goods for a nutritional boost. If making the gel seems like too much effort, You can also find sea moss in powder or capsule form, which are convenient options for daily supplementation. For those who prefer using raw sea moss, you'll need to rinse it thoroughly to remove any debris or salt before using it in recipes. To make sea moss gel, start by purchasing raw sea moss from a reputable source. Once you have your sea moss, rinse it thoroughly to remove any dirt, sand, or debris. After cleaning, soak the sea moss in filtered water for 12 to 24 hours. During this time, it will expand and become soft, almost doubling in size. Once it's fully hydrated, drain the water and place the sea moss into a blender. Add fresh water, just enough to cover the sea moss, and blend until it forms a smooth, gel-like consistency. Store the gel in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It can last up to 3 weeks when properly stored. Using sea moss gel in your daily routine is simple and versatile. One of the easiest ways is to add a tablespoon of the gel to your morning smoothie. It blends well with fruits like bananas, berries, or mangoes, and you won't even notice the taste. You can also stir it into teas or coffee for a nutrient boost. If you're into cooking, sea moss gel works well as a thickener for soups, sauces, and stews. It doesn't alter the flavor much, making it a great addition to savory dishes. For skincare, sea moss gel can be applied directly to your face as a natural mask. Leave it on for about 15 minutes before rinsing with warm water. It helps to hydrate the skin, reduce redness, and give your face a healthy glow. You can also mix it with essential oils like tea tree or lavender for added benefits. If convenience is a priority, you might prefer sea moss in capsule or powder form. Capsules are pre-measured and easy to take with your daily vitamins. The powder form can be mixed into your favorite beverages, baked goods, or even oatmeal. For example, try adding a teaspoon of sea moss powder to pancake or waffle batter for a nutritious breakfast. Here's a quick recipe idea. Make a tropical sea moss smoothie. Blend 1 cup of almond milk, 1 frozen banana, half a cup of mango, 1 tablespoon of sea moss gel, and a dash of cinnamon or vanilla extract. It's creamy, delicious, and packed with nutrients. When using sea moss, start with a small amount, about 1 to 2 tablespoons of the gel, or the equivalent in powder or capsules. Gradually increase your intake if you feel comfortable. This helps your body adjust to the new addition without overwhelming your digestive system. The information in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your health routine. Thanks for watching Benefits Unlocked. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.